Tired of unreliable 3D printers in your classroom? Meet the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-EDU, award-winning, educator-approved. Imagine students designing, printing, and innovating with ease. Perfect for STEM labs, makerspaces, and project-based learning. No more frustrating clogs. Dremel's extruder is clog-resistant. Active filament monitoring keeps your prints running smoothly. Compatible with PC, Mac, Chromebook, and even iPad. Unbox and set up in minutes, no tech headaches. The 4.5-inch touchscreen is bright, intuitive, and easy to use. Automated 9-point leveling ensures perfect prints every time. Built-in RFID reads filament and auto-selects print settings. Remote monitoring lets you check progress from any device. The HD camera streams live. Never miss a print in action. Print advanced materials. Eco-ABS, nylon, PETG, and PLA. All-metal 0.4mm nozzle heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for versatility. Removable glass build plate heats to 100 degrees Celsius for easy removal. Large build volume, 6.7 by 10 by 6 inches. Complete enclosure, safe, ultra-durable, and classroom-ready. Includes 30 standards-aligned lesson plans for grades 3-12. Ready-to-use curriculum saves teachers hours of prep. Extra PLA filaments, glue sticks, and build plate included. Self-paced professional development course for educators. Earn a certificate, up to 4 hours of PD credit. Google for Education Partner, trusted by schools nationwide. Winner of PC Mag's 2022 Editor's Choice for Best 3D Printer. Built to withstand daily use in busy classrooms or labs. Ideal for K-12, universities, architecture, and engineering. Guided setup walks you through every step with ease. Touchscreen navigation makes operations simple for everyone. Automated leveling means fewer failed prints, more success. Print monitoring from your phone or computer, total control. Industry-best 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Lifetime access to Dremel's expert US-based support team. Over 85 years of Dremel reliability stands behind every printer. Teachers, empower your students to create and problem solve. Students, bring your ideas to life with professional results. Professionals, prototype, and iterate faster than ever before. No more downtime, just smooth, reliable printing every day. Transform your classroom or workspace with cutting-edge technology. Upgrade to the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-EDU today. Experience the future of 3D printing built for education. Order now and unlock a world of creative possibilities.